Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you need to rinse your hair daily, use cool water to preserve oils. At some point, your scalp will get used to this routine and you will achieve less greasy hair. Then, scrub well with warm water every 7 to 10 days. Use a cool water rinse to get rid of sweat between your weekly rinses.
Let's help you make your mark.
Maybe. Obviously a person can get their hair wet in the shower or otherwise daily. If the question is whether daily wetting of the hair might be good to aid with styling when daily shampooing is too drying for your hair, it all depends on your individual hair and scalp as well as how you plan to style the hair.
Take our lead.
Share on Pinterest. Rinsing the hair with water between washes may be recommended for people with very dry hair. People with very dry hair do not need to wash their hair daily, or even every other day. Instead, washing the hair less often will help preserve the natural oils in the scalp and keep hair well moisturized.
Let's help you make your mark.
When it's bad to wet your hair daily, wetting your hair every day with fresh water is perfectly fine for your hair. So if you're someone who likes to wake up and spritz it back into shape, then you needn't worry. You won't cause it any harm.
Take our lead.
Extra oiliness could possibly be an overcompensation from washing your hair too often. Your hair always needs some level of natural oil. So washing less often, and applying dry shampoo to the roots between washes, may help strengthen your hair follicles, lowering the need to produce oil so quickly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Washing their hair weekly or even every other week might be enough for people with very dry hair. Rinsing the hair with water in between washes can keep it looking fresh without stripping the hair of its moisture. Hair is more likely to be dry when it is thick.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Frequent washing. Yes, washing your hair is damaging. Even just getting hair wet can lead to more breakage. When hair becomes wet, the shaft swells, resulting in hair that is more elastic and easier to break.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.